Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to know if someone deactivated their Snapchat. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all we need to open Snapchat, and from here we need to click on the chats button in the bottom side of the screen. And the first way of how we can know if someone deactivated their Snapchat is to simply scroll down our list of chats, and if we cannot find the chat with the person, it means that this person deactivated their account. So basically you won't find a chat with that person. For just if I click on the person with on the chat with this person, I can just simply type him a message or something like that, but if the person deactivated their Snapchat, you won't find the chat. The second way of how you can check if person deactivated their Snapchat or not, you can go to your profile, clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner. And here basically you need to scroll down and find the friends section and click on my friends. So he will disappear from your friend list also. So if you cannot find him in your friend list, it means basically that he deactivated their Snapchat also. And the last way of how you can check if it is true or not, you can close and go to the chats once again and click on the search button in the top left corner and search for the username of this person. So for example, something like that. And if this person does not appear in this list of guys with this name, with this username, it means basically he deactivated his Snapchat also. And basically that is it. That is how we can know if someone deactivated their Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.